The energy transition is likely to have a huge impact on many areas of the economy and society. But it will also have an impact on our day-to-day lives and the homes we live in. What changes will we see to our homes after the energy transition? What will our energy consumption look like in the future? The learning objective for today is to envision how a home in 2050 will receive its energy. The home of the future will be more complex and more intertwined with energy generation and consumption than it is today. Many basic things that play a key role in everyday life will have changed. Where our electricity comes from, where our heating comes from, how we get around, and even the role of technology in helping to maintain connections and organise our energy consumption. Let's look at some of these in a bit more detail. Most consumers nowadays do not think about where our electricity comes from. We plug our appliance into the sockets and use the electricity from the grid. As the energy transition integrates decentralised renewable generation into the electricity grid, this could change dramatically. In the future, it is likely that decentralised solar or wind generation will become a part of most people's homes. This means that consumer households will no longer just consume energy, but also produce it, turning them into so-called prosumers with a two-way connection with the grid. With renewable generation playing such a key role in the future, it may also be necessary to change the way we consume energy. Demand response encourages consumers to shift the use of some electric loads to when there is surplus energy generation and when electricity prices are cheaper. A washing machine, for example, can be run at any time in the day. If you run it at midday, when solar power is at its peak and prices are low, this will put less strain on the grid at other hours in the day and also save consumers money. In addition, storage will also play a key role in the future of the energy transition. It will be needed to meet the mismatch between supply and demand. And with electricity generation already integrated into people's homes, it will also be likely that home battery storage will become a common feature as well. This can store excess generation from the rooftop solar panels and later can be used for backup power during times of peak consumption. Heating will also be entirely different in the homes of the future. Currently, most households get their heating through the use of gas boilers. However, after the energy transition, we will need alternative heating sources, such as heat pumps, to heat our homes. Heat pumps can extract heat from the air or the ground to heat a well-insulated home. Heat pumps are already being deployed in newly built homes in some places across the world. All of these changes will make it more difficult to manage the energy usage of a household. With so many different elements to take into account, a smart energy manager will be necessary inside people's homes. This will perform tasks such as monitoring PV solar generation, charging the battery, turning on non-essential appliances at the right time, and monitoring the heating. In this way, smart energy managers can help home owners to optimize their energy consumption and save them costs. A smart energy manager can also help the electricity grid. As a communication gateway between the household and the smart grid, it can give information that can optimize the energy distribution of the neighborhood or the entire country. So as you can see, the homes of the future will consume energy in an entirely different way than we do now. The next question is, how can we introduce these changes into people's homes? And when will we see these next steps take place towards the energy transition?